in my university. So we get one of our first interviewee. Here we go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, first of all, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Nadine Maroto Wada and I'm from class 4th semester.
Okay.
Yes?
The second question is what majors did you choose and what did you choose?
Okay. Major is English Education Department, and why I did choose English Education Department? Yeah, I don't choose these majors because I put in my third choice, but I get English Education Department because my first choose is psychology. But I want because I like English, so I choose English Education Department.
Alright, great. By the way, this is my first choice. So, which subject do you find the most challenging and how do you deal with it?
Okay, I think the most reason that I feel really challenging is grammar because grammar is one of the reasons that really make me confused because there's so many things and there's so many lessons that I need to understand. Just like do you learn grammar too in the first semester? Yeah, just like
Okay, and the next question. Jonathan, are you involved in any organization or party?
Yes, exactly. I joined in Himpunan in Said and Cabinet in this year.
Wow, that's amazing. So, by the way, how do you manage your time?
Okay, the question is really hard because manage my time is also really hard. But I try to choose what the important one. Then just like the important one is learning, and after that I will do my job in cabinet. So I will choose to do my learning first rather than doing in cabinet.
Okay, that's a good answer. And for the last question for our interview today is, what advice would you give to us like engineer?
Okay, my advice to you is just keep spirit to do English Education Department because I think English Education Department is not easy. When you go to 4th semester or 3rd semester, there will be a challenges more hard things like that. So you need to be more spirit to do learning in English Education Department.
Okay, thank you, thank you for your answer and interview for today. And nice to meet you. Okay, with me today. And so, what did you choose, and why did you choose it?
I choose
Oh, okay. You like English. So in this major, which subject do you find the most challenging, and how do you deal with it?
subject ya.
Subject.
Maybe grammar.
Okay, but
I find it so hard. And how to deal with the grammar is to work with your friends and search about the grammar in the book to learn it.
that's good. And for the next question, by the way, are you involved in any organization or party?
Yes, of course, I involved in many organizations. In this college, I involved in SAID. I'm part of the organization. And in Bandung, I involved in one organization called SPA. interesting about life, it can get you to the depression.
Oh, yes, nice advice, and thank you so much. Again, it's nice to talk with you. Okay, everyone. Today I'm with my interviewee. First of all, could you introduce yourself, please?
Hello guys, my name is Azra and I come from Bogor.
Okay, hello, Azra.
Hi.
To start our interview today, I'm gonna ask you for the first question is what major did you choose and why did you choose it?
My major is family law, and honestly, I didn't choose it for any specific reason at first. I just picked it randomly, but it turns out that this major covers many aspects of human life in a very detailed way. Which makes it really interesting.
Okay, great. And the next question, by the way, what subject do you find the most challenging and how do you deal with it?
Subject. The most challenging subjects for me are inheritance law,
Teacher,
Islamic astronomy,
Islamic
and agrarian law, and many others. To deal with them, I usually read books and study consistently.
Okay.
Only
Read,
two.
read books and study consistently. Okay. And the next question, by the way, are you involved in any organization or part-time jobs?
Of course. Currently, I am involved in an organization called Kami.
Okay, you joined an organization called Kami.
Yes.
Alright, so how do you manage your times?
Okay, I manage my time by setting priorities between my academic responsibilities and other activities. I try to create a simple schedule, stay disciplined, and avoid procrastination so that everything can be done on time. Apa? Okay, I manage my time by setting priorities between academic responsibilities and other activities. So I try to create a simple schedule, stay disciplined, and avoid procrastination so that everything can be done on time.
Okay. And for the last question, do you what advice would you give to your junior like me or like us there?
I think my advice for my junior is just apa ya?
It's okay.
Oh,
Just
yeah. Just
continue.
to read more books and keep improving your soft skill.
Okay.
Only two.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Nice interview with you, Azra, and see you guys. Okay, to start our interview today, I'm gonna ask you with the first question. What major did you choose and why did you choose it?
So I chose Islamic Community Development as my major because I love in socializing and working with many people.
Wow, great. So, next question. Which subject do you find the most challenging and how do you deal with it?
So uh, the most challenging the most challenging subject for me is Arabic because I didn't have any basic in Arabic to deal with this. I study hard and asking my friends who has more knowledges
Oh,
than me.
okay, that's good.
Okay, as a university student, are you involved in any organization or part-time jobs?
Yes. So I involved in several organizations during my time as a student.
Okay, so you said that you joined several organizations. By the way, how do you manage your time?
I manage my time by making priorities.
Priorities.
So and now my priorities is studying. So before I doing activities outside the campus, I choose my study first.
Oh, okay. So study is still your priority.
Yeah, study is my
Right.
priorities.
Great. And for the last question for our session today is, do you, what advice would you give to your junior like me or us?
Okay, guys. No more. So my advice is keep spirit and be open to new experiences.
Okay, be open to new experiences. All right, thank you Yumna for interview today. And by the way, guys, this session is the last interviewee. Interview. So see you on the next video content. Bye bye.
Tutup, tutup.